Hello everyone, welcome to Asha's Realm. Today I'm making chicken fry. Here I took 1.5 kilo of chicken. It's a boneless Thai chicken. Some oil, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and we are using almost all these spices like garam masala powder, turmeric powder, chili powder. Here I have normal chili powder and Kashmiri chili powder, and pepper powder, coriander powder, and some salt. Come on, let's start making. First, switch on the stove, heat a pan, add oil around 3 to 4 tablespoons. It's a fry, so we need to put a little more oil. So, yeah. Once the oil is nice and hot, add ginger garlic paste. Just fry this ginger garlic paste for some 30 seconds. Now add chicken. Stir it well. Close the lid and leave this for 15 minutes on a medium flame. Stir it occasionally, like every 5 minutes. If you can stir it, then that should be fine. See, we got some water from chicken. Okay, again close the lid. It's around 15 minutes now. Let's see. See, we got lots of water. I'll add salt. Here I'm adding rock salt. 1 teaspoon of rock salt. That's it. Once all the water gets evaporated, then we can add all the spices. Until then, we need to cook it like this. Again, cover the lid and cook it for 15 more minutes, like until all the water gets evaporated. Let's see how this looks. Almost all the water is gone. Now we can reduce the flame to low. Now we can start adding all spices. This is my spice box. I have 2 types of chili powders here. Kashmiri chili. This won't be too spicy, but it gives good color. So I'm gonna add half teaspoon of Kashmiri chili, and this is normal chili powder. It's a bit spicy. That means it's a bit hot. So I'm gonna add this half teaspoon. Some quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Now mix everything well. Chili powder you can adjust as per your taste. If you want more spice, you can add more. If you want, if you don't eat with this much spice, then you can add less. Here you can check salt. If you want to add more, you can add here. I'm adding little more salt as it's a bit less. My stove is still on a low heat, and now close the lid and leave it for 10 minutes. Stir it occasionally, and after 10 minutes we can see how it looks. If chicken is nicely cooked, then we can dish out. Let's see how this looks. So it started leaving all the oil. That means it's cooked. If it is getting sticked to the pan, just scrape it like this, because we don't want all the masalas to be burnt. Just take a piece and see if it is cooked or not. See, it's cooked. It's almost done, but I'll leave this for 5 more minutes and then we can dish out. Let's see how this looks. This is very simple and easy recipe. You really don't need many ingredients. Just we add few spices. That's it. This is perfect now. We can serve this in a serving bowl. Yummy chicken fry is ready. We can just eat it just like that, or you can have this chicken with salad, or this can be a nice side dish if you are eating any Indian food. Hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in next video. Bye.